Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott. Another hot day for parts of the Sound. In fact, looking at the area from south of Everett down towards Seattle, Tacoma, we were looking for a couple degrees of cooling. We actually got a few degrees of warming in some spots, including out of the airport. SEA hit 91 degrees, which is the warmest it's been during the heat wave, and also tied their record set back in 2016. One other interesting part of the almanac to check is the 8 o'clock sunset tonight. That's the last 8 o'clock sunset of the year for us. So you want to get out and enjoy it this evening. The temperatures will be warm around most of the area. Sharp contrast areas from Everett northward that were near the water, basically in the upper 70s and low 80s yesterday afternoon. We only hit 81 degrees out there at Bellingham, so pretty nice day there, and they're going to continue to cool a few more degrees today. In fact, looking out at Bellingham, you see a nice looking day developing there in the marina. A little bit of haze in the air on all of our tower cams. You can see it there in the Everett tower cam, and especially on the SeaTac tower cam. That's actually showing the sun getting through, but quite a bit of haze in there. And we do have some middle and high clouds that have moved up from the desert southwest, which are going to be giving us a little bit of shade, which will actually hold our temperatures down just a little bit today, and might give us a couple of thunderstorms this afternoon down in the South Cascades, just for variety. Looking out along the coast, that ocean air conditioning still sitting out there. It's been there for several days and been gradually working its way inland, but a little bit slower than usual. It should make real progress overnight tonight into tomorrow, and everybody should be a lot more comfortable as we head into Wednesday. First Alert 7-day forecast shows today our last day of First Alert weather, fortunately, and then we'll see those temperatures cool off as we head towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but not really get cool. Our normal highs right now are mid to upper 70s. We're still going to stay a little above that, but certainly a lot more comfortable. We do get back to our normal highs in time for the Labor Day weekend. Checking the satellite image, you can see we do have that along the coast. We do have that marine deck. It has pushed inland. It's covered up by these higher clouds that are moving in. You see that broad area of mid and high level moisture that's moved up from the southwest. Again, the main effect of that is going to be just to give us some clouds here on the west side, and then probably a few scattered thunderstorms in the South Cascades today, but probably more widespread thunderstorms tomorrow up into the North Cascades as well, and that'll be during the afternoon hours. Looking at our First Alert weather day today, we're going to continue that because of the heat, with a lot of places still getting into the mid 80s to the low 90s, especially as you get into some of those interior valleys out towards the Cascades. We did drop the red flag warning, but still elevated wildfire danger out there, and we do have our smoke haze too, which is going to be affecting our air quality. So all those combined, another First Alert weather day. If we take a look at the upper level pattern, with this high pressure has been sitting here giving us this heat for the last several days. It finally starts to move away from us as we head towards Wednesday, and then as we head towards the weekend, we're going to see a little low kind of come up. Not much to it, but it is going to brush by us as we head into late Friday into Saturday, and that might give us a few scattered showers around. It doesn't look like it's going to produce much, but you might see a few drops around, and then that starts to move away from us as we head towards Sunday and on into Labor Day itself. So we should be in pretty good shape weather-wise if you have any outdoor plans during that period of time. Take a look at the smoke models. You can see, definitely seeing that smoke over western Washington through the day today, and that will continue on into tomorrow as well. And with that, we're going to see the air quality diminish a little bit, especially in the central Sound. You can see right there along the I-5 corridor, and we'll see maybe a little bit more widespread loss of that air quality as we head towards tomorrow, where it spreads a little bit farther up there towards the northwest interior. Take a look at our temperature forecast for today. Still seeing that big contrast between being near the water and away from it. Up there in Whatcom and Skagit counties, mid 70s to low to maybe mid 80s as you're near the water, but as you move inland, still getting to the low to mid 90s as you're getting close to the North Cascades. Dropping down into Snohomish County, right around the upper 70s and low 80s near the water, but getting up into the mid to upper 80s as you move farther inland. For both King and for Pierce counties, basically getting into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees for a lot of the places just near the water and away from it. As you head out towards southwestern Washington, we've got cool temperatures out there along the coast, definitely where our marine areas, low to mid 60s for the highs, and then as you move in towards that I-5 corridor south of Olympia, temperatures getting up to around 90 degrees. And again, those sharp contrasts across the Olympic Peninsula, mid 60s for the coast, 70s and 80s as you move inland on the west side of the Olympics. But as you get to the east side of the Olympics, those temperatures still pushing into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So overall for Puget Sound, we're going to be looking at First Alert weather day today. Temperatures at least south of Everett getting into the mid to upper 80s to near 90 degrees. Tomorrow we'll see things finally cool off. There'll be some showers in the Cascades in the afternoon tomorrow, and temperatures getting into the upper 70s and low 80s. Partly sunny Thursday, maybe a couple of sprinkles sprinkles around, won't amount to much. Friday, partly sunny, warming back up a little bit, low to mid 80s. Partly sunny with a few showers around Saturday. Partly sunny Sunday, and mostly sunny for Labor Day itself. And temperatures over the weekend mostly in the mid to upper 70s.